Welcome to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy. And in this video guys, I'll be showing you guys how to prepare a natural immunity booster, okay guys, one which is perfect for cold, cough and flu. So let me go ahead and put some lemongrass in my pot and some bay leaf, some orange peel, some cinnamon, cloves, crushed garlic and ginger. Okay guys, and then from there what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and allow this to boil for 10 minutes. So once it starts to boil, what you want to do guys, you want to turn down on low heat. I want to make sure that this tea is covered guys, so that you can chop all of the natural nutrients. There are so many natural herbs and ways and remedies for us to stay healthy guys, so why not combine these lovely ingredients and make a nice home remedy, so we don't have to keep on going to the doctor over and over. I'm not saying that you're not supposed to go and check up on yourself, but sometimes guys, these are the things that our bodies are calling for, the natural stuff. Guys, please don't take these ingredients lightly, okay guys? These are super food. These are super herbs guys. You see them, you need to cherish them and learn how to use them the right way, okay guys? How about enjoying a lovely cup of tea while naturally healing your body guys? How about preserving your lungs? This is the way guys, the natural remedy. So what we're gonna do guys, we're gonna ensure that we strain this drink, okay guys? And we want to add natural honey. To taste, you don't have to, okay? If you're the kind of person who don't like to add sweetness, or because of various reasons you don't like to consume sweetness, you can go ahead and have this just as it is. And you can also cool it down and keep it in the refrigerator, and you can consume this like a normal water, okay guys? And now that you know how powerful these ingredients are guys, please go ahead and make yourself a lovely cup of tea, and I will catch you in another video guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.